site. For example, there are some people working with just small generator. Some, example. Excuse me, who is this? Huh? Fahim is the project director for this company. Did you inform Fahim you have a training here or not? You did not tell him. Next time you have to tell your supervisor before you come here. Or else I'm not going to accept this action. This behavior not good. Don't answer phone call while I'm talking. If you're coming here for training, tell your supervisor you have training. If you will call you, you can go outside, answer the phone, then come back. But answering here, I will stop. And this is not acceptable. No, even though it's his responsibility, he must tell his supervisor, I have, what do you call it, training team. Holding the phone is very disrespectful for the guy standing. Very disrespectful for everybody. If you want to answer, go outside, answer, then come back. So nobody answered the phone until I finish. Okay. If you want to answer the phone, you go outside. Okay, the fire warden is the guy in charge to watch over the site. If there is any fire, if there is any possibility of fire, then he gonna start the fire by using the correct fire extinguisher. Okay, the fire triangle, there are three. Fire triangle, oxygen, combustible material, and heat. If the three together, the fire will start. If one of them missing, no fire is. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Rajab. If one of them will be not available, no fire. Three together, there will be a fire. Okay? See, fire is a chemical reaction which involves rapid oxidation of combustible material. Combustible material, any material that's capable of getting fire. So, fire goes by what? Smoking. That's why we have designated area. You know designated area? What is the smoking area here? Okay, one very good. Other one? Very good.
सिगरेट पीने वाला एरिया किधर है? सिगरेट पीने वाला एरिया किधर है? मालूम है?
Do you smoke? You smoke? You smoke? You should know. But you should know. If you smoke, you should know.
स्मोकिंग एरिया किधर है? मालूम होना चाहिए.
मैं ज़्यादा नहीं पीता हूँ, सोया पीता हूँ. बाई चांस और बंदा कभी कभी पीता.
तो स्मोकिंग एरिया में पिए, दूसरा जगह नहीं पिए. सही?
So, smoking number one is the one causing a fire. Hot work. What do you mean by hot work?
Welding.
Exactly. Welding, grinding, cutting. Very good. This is hot work. So you need permit first before you start the work. That's why we're having permits, so we can make sure that everything is available on the site, including the fire warden and the fire extinguisher. Also, trash accumulation, just like the one we have at the back. All pallet, all that might cause fire. That's why we have to remove from site. Gas fired equipment, chemical reaction, electrical overload. See? This is welding, right?
Yeah.
See? Causing a fire on the top. Oh, they have it in Arabic, but this is the class of fire. Class A, Class B. Class A usually wood. Are you familiar with wood?
लकड़ी.
Paper, plastic. This is Class A. Class B, petroleum, alcohol. Okay? Class C, electrical. Class D is the magnesium and aluminum, which is chemical. Okay? This is 4 types of fire. A, B, C, D. Why there is no E? So it will be A, B, C, E, right? Why A, B, C, D? Because the letter E is international noun for electrical. That's why they don't use it. Okay? See? This type of fire extinguisher, water, carbon dioxide, foam, and dry powder. Most we have dry powder because it's applicable for all. So focus on the dry powder. Dry powder is for A, B, C, and D. Okay? For all can be applicable. That's why we have dry powder on the side. For fire prevention rules, you should always store the flammable liquid in approved location, an approved container. That's why if you have this bottle of water and you clean it and you put gasoline, you put diesel, this is not acceptable. It should be jerry can. Are you guys following or? Okay. Jerry can. Okay. No open flame near material. No welding or cutting into this gas, there is wood, there is paper. You should not, you should remove. Remove, then do welding, so no fire will not start. Properly operate and maintain gas-fired equipment. We don't have that one, but if you have welding on the side, you should always have it maintained.
Sir, I'm leaving.
You should have follow the hot work procedure. If there is any welding, you should have permit first. You should have fire warden. You should have fire extinguisher. You should have all the material or the combustible far away, 35 feet from the site, and all the chemical or the gasoline should be in jerry can. Do you know how to use the fire extinguisher? Do you know how to use it?
Yes sir.
Do you know how to use it?
किस किस को फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर चलाना आता है?
नहीं चलाया हमने।
किसी को चलाना आता है तो वो हाथ खड़ा करे।
You don't know.
You know, he is the one only knows.
Others?
Others don't know sir.
You don't know?
Yeah.
You don't know? See? Hold the pin. Pin? Remove. After removing the pin, what you will do? You will hold. See? Aim the base of the fire. Aim the nozzle. After finishing with the aim in the nozzle, what you will do? You will squeeze the lever.
I think we should take one for.
Yeah, I will ask you. I'll ask you to bring it out. Can you bring one? Always remember PAS. PAS is the international standard for how to use the fire extinguisher. Hold the, what do you call, hold the pin. Pin, see?
ये वो हालत हुआ है तुम्हारा तीन बार का
See? Once you start, this is the pin. This is the one. See, without it, you cannot use. Once you remove this one, you can use, right? So, what you will do, aim the nozzle, right? This is the nozzle. So once you can remove the pin, aim the nozzle, squeeze the lever, then sweep side to side. So again, remove, aim, okay? It's very simple, but you have to aim it to the fire, on the base of the fire, not on the top, not on the ground, on the base of the fire. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay? Very good. This is fire extinguisher. This is dry powder. See? We count on you to avoid disaster. It's your job to make sure there's no fire on the side. Can you explain that to me? It's your job to make sure there's no fire on the side.
ये आप लोगों की जिम्मेदारी है। अगर आप लोग काम कर रहे हैं साइट पे तो आपने देखना है इर्द के माहौल में कि कोई भी कहीं भी किसी भी वजह से जो है आग नहीं लगनी चाहिए। अगर आपको लगता है कि किसी जगह पे आग लग सकती है तो आप देखें उसको और खत्म करें।
Okay? So, everybody depending on you. So for this one, the extinguisher must be within the easy reach. Once you go to site, if there is hot work, you should have fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher with you. Okay, as a fire warden. You are the fire warden. You will have an ID, we'll give you an ID as a fire warden, that any work in the site, include hot work, or need fire extinguisher, you'll be the one. So operator must have clear, unobstructed escape route. For you, you should make sure that your fire extinguisher inside your equipment is valid.
اور تمہارا JCB کے اندر جو ہے نا وہ فائر ایکسٹنگوشر ایسا تو فائر رکھنا ہوگا ٹھیک ہے
Expire or Tiger?
اور ٹھیک ہے ابھی کہ ایکسپائر ہو گیا
ٹائم ہے اس میں بچا
اس کو چیک کرنا ہے وہ لا کے اس کے اوپر یہ جو پیپر اس کا کارڈ لگا ہوا ہے نا اس پہ ڈیٹ لکھا ہوا ہے جیسے آئی چین کا ڈیٹ ہوتا ہے نا اس طرح اسی کا بھی ڈیٹ ہوتا ہے وہ ڈیٹ دیکھو اگر وہ ایکسپائر ہو گیا تو وہ لا کے ادھر دو یہ نیو دے گا تمہیں ہاں وہ ایکسپائر نہیں ہونا چاہیے.
Once there is a fire alarm, the one we do every 3 months, we have fire alarm. Fire, everybody go to that assembly point. So once you hear the fire alarm, you should help. As you are a fire warden, you should help the people. Tell them there's a fire, please proceed to the assembly point. Okay? All of you. Because all of you now are fire wardens. So our job is to make sure people are getting outside the building safe.
کہیں پہ بھی اگر یہ فائر الارم کرتے ہیں نا خدا نخواستہ کہیں پہ آگ لگ جاتی ہے یا 3 مہینے میں ایک دفعہ ہم ٹریننگ کرتے ہیں وہ الارم بجاتے ہیں ہوٹر بجاتے ہیں اس سے فائر ہوتا ہے ٹھیک ہے. تو آپ لوگوں نے بھاگ نہیں جانا آپ لوگوں نے خیال رکھنا ہے کہ سب کو جو ہے نا وہ باہر نکلنے کے لیے کہنا ہے اور ایز انتظامیہ کام کرنا ہے انتظامیہ کے طور پہ ان سب کو باہر لے کے جانا ہے اسمبلی پوائنٹ پہ اور وہاں پہ جا کے ان کو اور خود دیکھنا ہے خود آپ لوگوں نے یہ دفعہ دیکھنا ہے اگر حقیقت میں کہیں پہ جو ہے وہ آگ لگ گئی ہوئی ہے تو اس کو آپ نے اس کو استعمال کرتے ہوئے سب نے آگ کو بجھانے کی کوشش کرنی ہے آپ لوگوں کی ذمہ داری ہے. یہ مت سوچو کہ وہ فلاں آئے گا یا سیفٹی والا آئے گا یا کوئی اور آ کے وہ آگ بجھائے گا. آپ لوگ سب لوگ جتنے بھی ادھر بیٹھے ہوں سب لوگوں کی ذمہ داری ہے. سائٹ پہ یا ادھر آفس میں کہیں بھی آگ لگتی ہے تو آپ کی ذمہ داری ہے آپ کو یہ دفعہ چلانا آتا ہے اس کو چلا کے آگ بجھاؤ.
So now if you're trapped inside the building, if you're trapped inside the office, there will be a smoke you cannot see. So if you fall, protect your head with your arm. So once you will go down with your arm. Then start to crawl until you reach the exit. Once the generator will shut down and there is no light inside, the emergency light will operate. So you can guide you from where you can go. But if the smoke is covering all the place, go down so you can breathe. If you stand, you cannot breathe. Okay?
اگر یہاں پہ خدا نخواستہ کسی بلڈنگ میں آگ لگ جاتی ہے اور بہت دھواں بن جاتا ہے آپ لوگوں کو نظر نہیں آتا تو زمین پہ لیٹ جاؤ اپنے یہ دونوں ہاتھ جو ہے ایسے سر کے اوپر رکھ لو ٹھیک ہے اور ایسے کونیوں کی مدد سے جو ہے نا ایسے سکرول کرتے ہوئے آپ نے جو ہے نا نیچے جانا ہے کرولنگ کرتے ہوئے ٹھیک ہے.
Okay guys, I'll have everybody stay safe on the side. So
آپ سب لوگوں کی ذمہ داری ہے. سائٹ پہ اگر کہیں کوئی پیٹرول کی بوتل پڑی ہوئی ہے کھلی ہوئی کہیں نظر آتی ہے کہیں پہ آگ لگی ہوئی ہے تھوڑی بہت نظر آتی ہے وہ سب چیز کا آپ لوگوں نے خیال رکھنا ہے. جنریٹر میں اگر کوئی مسئلہ ہو گیا آگ شاگ لگ گئی ہے کہیں آس پاس ہو گئی سب چیز کا خیال رکھنا ہے.
لکھ دیے نمبر ڈال دیا
we finish all of this. 3 minutes. Okay? Only use the window for escape if other exits are cut off. And once you will go out, try to close the door so to stop the spread of the fire.
یہ اگر خدا نخواستہ کہیں آگ لگ جاتی ہے تو آپ لوگ جب باہر نکلتے ہیں تو دروازہ بند کر دو ٹھیک ہے تاکہ جو ہے نا آگ کے شعلے جو ہے وہ باہر نہ رہیں.
Okay? Thank you very much. And stay safe and be careful. Huh? Thank you. Okay. Your name is there? Your name is there. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad.
You're welcome, sir.
ہاں ہو گئی
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh, hello.